Greetings from Industrial Safety Solutions, makers of the SafetyPro line of printers and supplies. In this brief video, we're going to show you an unboxing of a SafetyPro printer, show you what's in the box, how it's packaged, and what you need to do to get it ready to print. Now, there's no special gotchas inside this box. It's pretty straightforward. But what you will see right when you open up is a plastic bag. And in that bag, you're going to find a few labels that were test printed on this printer that you received, just to show how it works. You're going to find your license key. Now this sheet's important. Keep it in your records. It has your install key for the SafetyPro software. It also has the download link that you'll need. If you lose this, we can help you out with that as well. And then the rest of the bag is just the product manual and instructions for installation. Piece of cardboard. Now the box is just in two parts. Your printer up here in this air pack, custom fitted form, and then down here you have your accessories, your power supply, take-up spindle, and everything else. Let's start with the accessories. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this accessory bag, a pair of scissors, as it is sealed. And in this bag you just have a few things. First of all, you got this green plastic spindle. This is what you load your vinyl onto. The spindle ships with what we call wings, and these wings help you center smaller vinyl, such as 1/2 inch and 1 inch vinyl, on the core. The wings are not necessary for larger vinyl, such as 3 inch or 4 inch, but you can have them on there as long as they're loose. Got two black plastic cores. This one's packaged. Let's go ahead and take that out so you can see it. This is for loading the ribbon or the ink. You've got your supply spindle right here that goes in the supply side, and then your take-up spool, preloaded with an empty cardboard core. That's to take up the used ribbon or ink. Power cord, nothing special there. It's actually just a pretty standard power cord like you might find on a laptop power supply. On the other side, you have a spare rewind core if you switch ribbons or if you use multiple colors of ribbon. You can also hang on to your used vinyl cores and recycle them for that as well if you need to. On the other side, you've got a USB cord, and that's just a standard type that you would see for a printer or scanner. You can use any USB cord, but this is the one that ships with the printers. And then the power supply. Now this is a specific power supply to this printer, so definitely don't use anything else unless it has the same rating. You can find the rating on the back of the power supply. Very straightforward. Now let's go ahead and take this extra packaging out here, get it out of our way, and look at the printer real quick. Like I said, it's in a custom form-fitted air pack, which is pretty sturdy, and it's on there pretty tight. We found that this does a great job protecting it and shipping. Easiest way that I find to get this out is to securely take your printer and stand it up on the end inside the box, and then grasp the two sides of this air pack. And then you can push on the printer while you lift that out. Then you're not dropping your printer and you're not having to fuss with that air pack. The printer's inside a plastic bag, so that just comes out of the back. And then the SafetyPro just slides on out. Now once you have the printer out, there's just a few more things that you have to do to get it ready to print. You'll see that there's a lot of tape and protective plastic on this. You can remove the protective plastic first, and that just peels off. Very simple. That just keeps things looking nice and new when it's traveling and shipping. There's another piece on the clear ribbon cover here. Just to remove those. Then you're going to see these two pieces of fiber tape. Those peel off very easily off the front of the printer. Mine came off in a few pieces here because I wasn't careful. And then you just want to make sure to open up the printer and remove this piece of styrofoam from the print head. That protects the print head in shipping. And that is literally all you need to do. At that point, you're ready to load your printer and start using it. If you have more questions, make sure to check out the rest of our videos on loading the SafetyPro printer and on using the software.